Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're well. So a bit of a different start to the channel today. Basically I went out yesterday with Redford Baron. We finally got our ride out together. The idea was to ride down to Loomies Cafe, which for us is about a 3-hour ride. So it obviously is going to be the whole day's riding. The plan was to vlog it all for you. I've obviously gone to do the editing today. It turns out that my beloved GoPro pretty much didn't record most of the day, so slightly annoyed today. But yeah, I've tried to throw something together for you. Hopefully you like it. It's not what I expected or I wanted to produce, but yeah, it's pretty much making the best of a bad situation really. It's not something I can really just go and re-record, because like I said, Loomies is a good 3-hour ride just to get down to there, let alone the ride afterwards we've done. Which unfortunately you don't see much of because GoPro. But anyway, I'll roll the video, hope you like it, and I'll speak to you afterwards.
It's a nice little town. It's a great place to stop.
Got the wrong postcode, it must be.
Oh right.
That's not, we're not. Yeah, that isn't where we should be. We're in the right area, but
Right. So we just had to have a little bit of a stop off because we weren't 100% sure whether the sat nav's taking us the right way or not, but turns out they are now, so we are heading in the right direction. Tell you what, I am dying for a drink. So my sat nav saying we're here, but oh right, okay, so you need to turn left. Up there, is it? Up there? So my sat nav saying we're here. Right. Loomies. Where are you going? So, that's us done at Loomies Cafe. Yeah, it's a nice little place actually. Glad I got to visit it. I'm sure I'll come back at some point. So I think the plan now is head back down this beautiful scenic route. And I think Redford Baron's taking us on a nice windy road. Just for a little tour around this area. So stick around, stay tuned. See some beautiful scenery. I'll get back to you shortly.
We'll turn this around. We'll turn this around. We'll turn this around.
Yeah, so there you go. Just cuts off there. Slightly annoyed because I had so much more footage in that. Obviously I had footage on the way down to Loomies. Had a bit of a chat, a bit of an intro set up, recorded for you, but that didn't record. Went through some tunnels on the way there as well. Me and Redford Baron had a bit of a play in the tunnel, opening the bikes up a little bit. Sounded awesome, but unfortunately GoPro didn't record that either. So yeah, so I'm contemplating getting rid of the GoPro completely and changing to a different camera. I just don't know really what to use. Obviously I didn't use my insta very much either. The footage would link to what I've actually managed to produce here. But yeah, very annoyed to say the least. And my verdict of GoPro and GoPro cameras, basically I think they're absolute